Okay, the correct answer is the address of the miner who mined that block, and also there was a significance of U keyword in the function definition. The function can't change the state of the contract. I've confused it with the function that it may take function. So this is the correct answer. Function can't change the state of the contract. Now let's move on. Okay, so we have scored 100%. Now let's move on to the next section. Okay, so we have completed intro to Solidity also. Now let's create a first TF. Click on it. Okay, there is a step-by-step tutorial how to create a front end, deploy a Solidity smart contract and connect them together. We'll use the MetaMask, CMS ID and Ether.js. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to create a simple HTML front-end buttons that can interact with a smart contract function. The tutorial can place in 3 stages. Create a basic HTML web page, create a basic Solidity smart contract, connect the web page with the smart contract using Ether.js. So there is a video also they provided. Do watch it. Then now let's move on to the next step and see how we can uh, let's follow the steps that they have provided. Download the MetaMask. We have already downloaded it, and there it is. There it is. So you can download it also. Okay, and then let's move on. This is the link to add there is an add to link to add the amount in the wallet, in the testnet wallet. This is not the real money. It is just uh, uh, it is just a test money, so you can test it, you can use it to test the deployment of a smart contract. So there's a link. When you attach the account or your wallet there, your address will come here. You need to uh, log in via Twitter. Then you have to just verify the request and send the request, so you will get 0.1 test ether in it. So I think 0.1 is enough to test this thing for now. Now let's move on. Install the HTTP server. You can and you like, but recommend light servers for beginners. Okay, so this is the light server. From here you can download, you can install Node.js. Okay, now let's move on. Create a simple web page. uh, Let me just see the instruction first. Okay, Okay, so let's create a new file, index.html, and also install this server.